What's going on, my stock market bulls and bears? I'm your host Terry, and welcome to the channel. Buy the dip, that's right guys. In today's video I got something really special for you. This is a penny stock that is going to have a chance to possibly get us a double up here. And this is a very interesting one. I'm going to give you the bull thesis on this and reasons why. So let's get into it. Alright, the stock here is Ideonomics, ticker symbol IDEX, guys. As you can see here on the chart on Robinhood, this thing was lingering down here at 80 cents and just kind of stood there for a while. And we shot up to the moon on it. This thing went up to the moon on November 24th to $3.70. People got massive gains at that point, over 200% gains. And now the hype has went down and it's sold back off a little bit. And now we're down to $2.09. And yes, this is a great opportunity to possibly pick up this penny stock and let's see what happens. So, here's this great article. I'm going to tell you why. Insider Financial on the OTC stock market. And this is a really great article. It says why Idex is set to run like Solo. And as you guys know, if we look here at Solo, this thing was down at $2. It ran the whole way up to $12. And it went back down now to $6 and change. So they're predicting that Ideonomics is going to have the same kind of chart as Solo. So we go down here, charts on the Solo chart right there. And if you look down here at the Ideonomics chart, it's pretty similar, guys. So there's money to be made here. So first up, here's a little background on the newbies looking at Idex for the first time. Ideonomics is a global company that facilitates and adopts commercial electric vehicles and supports next-generation financial services and fintech products. Its electric vehicle division, Mobile Energy Global, provides group purchasing discounts on commercial electric vehicles, EV batteries, and electricity, as well as financing and charging solutions. So guys, they do everything here, man. They're not just selling you vehicles. They're doing everything from the EV vehicles, the batteries, the electricity, financing, and the charging solutions. And this is only a $2 stock, man. This has potential of getting us some huge gains, guys. Huge, huge gains. It says here the company is headquartered in New York with offices in Beijing, Quinzhou, and they have operations in U.S., China, Ukraine, and Malaysia. The Medici Motor Works, the company work division, is set to unveil 6 electric vehicles next month. For anyone that is in Nikola, they should instead invest in Idex with its $286 million market cap instead of Nikola's $10 billion market cap. So look at that vehicle there, guys. That is truly beautiful. And with the market cap so low, when people buy in this huge volumes, the price shoots up to the moon, where we can get some crazy, crazy gains. And these vehicles here are very beautiful, guys. Look at these Medici Motorworks vehicles here that they're going to have. Now, these are for illustration purposes only, but it gives you an idea of what they are working on. Check out that truck. This is truly amazing. So here is the Mobile Energy Global MEG. For the first period in October 2020 through October 31st, MEG delivered 102 units of all were taxi ride hauling vehicles. The 340 units were invoiced during July through September are still pending expected delivery. So during the month of October, China had 2 major national holidays overlap, which resulted in fewer business days. As a result, it was expected lower delivery volume month. Q4 is where the company will shine. We're expecting big sales numbers for November and December. And here's something else, guys. This here, I really like this as well. Idex invest in SolTrak. Idex first acquired 15% of the California-based SolTrak in October. SolTrak develops, assembles, and distributes 100% battery-powered electric tractors, an alternative to diesel tractors for agricultural and utility operations. That is huge, guys. So they're in the tractor business. They're acquiring up companies and building out this company. They're not just a one-trick pony, man. These guys can do it all. Here on the Trill trick right now. Ideonomics owns 51% of the Trill track, a Malaysian-based EV manufacturer purposely primary and logic vans, mopeds, and scooters. As the China EV market matures, its manufacturers will face oversupply issues. This is where Trill Trek comes in for the scooters, for the vans, the mopeds. This is huge. As you know, in those foreign countries, they have a lot of scooters, and I think that is really key. It's a huge market. And not only that, it's just really great opportunity. And here's more news, guys. Idex buys T-Mos. Idex acquired 100% of the privately held T-Mos holding in an all-cash deal. T-Mos currently has 285 employees and operations in 44 states and has booked $60 million in year-to-date revenues, including over $8 million in October 2020. So T-Mos becomes one of the cornerstone of the Idenomics capital, delivering innovative fintech solutions to the U.S. real estate industry. Here's the Idex Q3 results. Revenue for 3 months ended September 2020 was $10.6 million, of which $10.1 were generated by the company Meg business. So this represents the largest revenues earned by Meg since the company commerce business. Gross profit for 3 months ended September 30th of $0.7 million as compared to gross profit in $2.9 during the same period in 2019. Idex finished the quarter with $27.6 million in cash. So if you look down here at the comparison to Solo Q3 results, Solo reported total revenue in the third quarter 2020 of Canadian $0.3 million compared to Canadian $0.2 million in the same year below. So guys, really, really huge stuff here. They're actually getting profit, getting money to the bank. Now, as they're building out and buying up these companies, they're spending money and they're investing it back in, which is really, really huge. So let's just get down here to the bottom line on this. And I think this will pretty much sum up why we think this is a good investment. Idex has a market cap of $286 million. The company just acquired T-Mos, which posted $8 million in revenue for October and $60 million year to date. We see Idex significantly undervalued, especially when you compare Idex to other EV players like Solo and Nikola, with 10% of the float short. We are expecting an epic short squeeze. Buckle up and enjoy the ride as the bears are short about to get crushed. Guys, this is one here I think that we need to keep an eye on. Get this on your watch list. And this penny play here could get us some big money. We're all about getting these gains here. And with the short run up here, this bad boy, as you know, one article comes out and off to the moon these plays goes, guys. And at $2 and some now, you could buy in a little bit of these, hang on to them. You get 50%. You know, you may even get 100. I mean, there's people there bought in at 80 cents and sold this at like $4. So they got over 200-300% gains. They were out of here. So this is a chance for us to get in this company and make some money. So guys, what do you all think? You going to think about purchasing this bad boy and hanging on to it? They do have some option calls. And I saw that it was like an April option call for like $100 of a long call. So it could be a really good investment, guys, to get a couple long calls on this. You can check out those options trades and see if you're going to get it. So guys, hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit that thumbs up and join the Thumbs Up Nation. So guys, I will catch you in the next one. And remember to buy the dip, baby. Let's go!